Get battle medicked.
Get battle medic, and then battle medic dies.
Well, I was the battle medic, but okay. I'm not dead.
Not fair though.
Fire! Fire! Sorry!
Jesus Christ, Helsing. Jesus Christ.
Thank you, medic, whoever that is. Dead who?
Alert. The control point is being contested.
Why can't I just play around with that heavy more? You and all the one, Leah. Everything.
He's my buddy.
I can't even get into that room if the heavy has his sights on me.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I saw that.
Completely smoked.
The control point is being
Ah, that knock though.
God damn it, there's just nothing I can do against him.
Can you just stop?
Yeah.
Speedy entered
Hey guys.
channel.
Hello, Speed.
Nice, Speedy.
mission ends in 30 seconds.
God damn it.
Got killed.
Force of nature.
Get.
I'm trying to do something, and there's always going to be someone
Kill it.
around
Control point is being
to ruin my day.
our control.
Wait, do we own the point? No, we don't. Shit.
We don't know what's behind that mask, Leah.
Bullshit, I was on the point. It didn't go into overtime.
Somebody flip with me, don't kill me.
He killed you.
Damn
I
it.
killed you.
In that case, you want to go on that randomizer server? I just logged off, really.
Sure, I'll give it a try.
Here, I'll meet you in the other
Fire
normal
right
room again.
I'm trying so hard to get the
Get
help.
it.
Speedy removed.
I don't have milk.
Jesus
Hold
Christ.
on.
Mr. Extraordinary TF2.
Oh, thank you. He leaves the server. Much fun.
You're a disgrace to the uniform, pal. Way to go, pally. Let's get on the track, guys.
Battle medic.
What the fuck? Okay, he's hitting me before I can even hit him. That's bullshit.
Bye.
I'm gonna snipe them. Specifically, just the heavy. No, leave me alone. I want to kill the heavy.
Did I just survive that?
Nice one. Nice.
Come on, Kabumi. You can do it. No, you can't.
He knew! How do you know?
Get it.
Okay, that was fair.
That one was nice. Oh.
Alert. The control point is alert. The control point is being captured.
I'm done.
How is that not a headshot? Did I like hit his shoulder instead?
Alert. Our control point is being captured.
I got it.
Bullshit.
Thanks.
I'm
Sorry, I
impressed
was
by your
almost
little
dead.
battle medic stuff. Pops.
Thank you.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Ooh, got another one.
Alert. The control
Eat it! Finally!
The control point is being contested. Alert. The control point is being contested. Alert. The control point. Alert. The control point.
The fuck?
Alert. Mission ends in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Victor.
Fucking.
No. I wanted to get another one.
No.
Oh,
Because that guy
I'm
has to
greedy.
be a dick.
3, 2, 1.
I watched that. That was cute.
Ooh.
the second one? Yeah, there was nothing the other day.
Yeah, there was. They're dropping like flies.
Ugh.
No.
How do you get a golden frying pan?
MDM.
That guy just made like $5,000 instantly.
Oh. Bleed out!
Thanks, Pally.
It will only be harder if you don't.
Thanks.
Can you follow
And
my
it's not
force of
Liam.
nature or not?
No, but I can do this.
Hell?
Ah, I've made it before.
Just being captured.
Did you die?
Maybe.
Alert. Our control point is being captured.
Watch your backs. There might be a spy back there.
You almost got it.
Our control point is being captured.
Steak wants me.
Mission
Oh,
ends
I'm
in
sorry, I
60
took out.
seconds.
That's fine. Just kill him.
Oh, for God's sake. You're so goddamn squirmy. Finally.
There's a spy around here.
The control point is being captured.
How the fuck?
We got him. We got him.
Oh, nice.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
I'm being followed. Help.
I'm coming back.
Oh my
Oh, nice
gosh.
one.
3 of them are dead.
This is too much fun.
By too much fun, you mean a little boring.
10 seconds.
Maybe for you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You wasted my Uber.
There's no one here.